Are you still downloading? Okay, I used the trial. Oh, okay. Then we can start using it. Oh, you must register. Okay. Just now, I think I remember I have a red color in the email. Ah, okay. Now it's okay. There was one mistake in the email, I think. Okay, very good. I'm ready now. So you ping me once you're ready. Then we do it together. Abi, Chan, Niraja, are you installing? Steven and Finila. So how is your progress? Done, yeah? Okay, good. So you have ready with the Tableau desktop. Okay. So just give a few minutes, maybe another 5 minutes for the rest to join, to complete the installation. Okay. I will start first, yeah? So as usual, when we want to create a report, then we need to import the data source. Yeah? So we're going to import the data source, and then after that, want to create the relationship. So in this practice, we're going to use one data set, which is belong to the one of the convenience store. So the convenience store data set consists of the 5 tables: product, category, transaction, customer, and transaction detail. So more or less the diagram is something like this. Yeah. So we have the customer table, simple customer ID and customer name. And then we have the product table. So this is the dim table. And then a product ID, product name, unit price, unit cost, and a category ID. This is linked to the category. Category is a theme category, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, the category ID and the name. Yeah, beverage, reading, snack, stationery. And then we have the transaction. So between the transaction and the product, the relationship is a many to many. So one customer can order many times different product, and one product can be ordered by the different customer. So to normalize this relationship many to many, we create the intermediate table or the fact table, yeah, the transaction detail. So in the transaction detail, we have the transaction ID and then the product ID, yeah, to link between the transaction table and the product table, and then the how many sold. So we have this 5. Yeah. If you open the data source, let me show. Okay, the Excel is like this. We have the 5 tables. Customer, yeah, just 2 customer, transaction, yeah, and then the detail, and then product, and then the category. Very simple workbook. Okay, we close here. Okay, the meeting will end for all participants in 5 minutes. Okay, so I will continue later, yeah, at 10 o'clock after this session finish. Let me finish first. So first in the Tableau, yeah, you open the connect to the file, then after that open the convenience store, yeah. Then on the data source page, drag the table following the order, transaction detail, product, transaction, category, customer to form this, the start schema, yeah. Okay, so remember, uh, transaction detail, product, transaction, and then category and customer. Okay, yeah, so this one connect to the Excel, then look for the file that you downloaded just now from Telegram. So when you open, the table is here. Okay, so I track the transaction detail. Okay, then show you the detail, yeah, the grid and then the schema. Then we drag the transaction. Okay, automatically it will detect the common field. You open this relationship, then yep, you see here the relationship based on the transaction ID because found the common field. Yeah. Performance options, we can set the relationship like many to many, many to one, yeah, and one to many. We do it later, yeah. But we just use the default setting first. Okay, then product transaction, yeah, okay. So drag the product. Okay, yeah. So also create a relationship based on the product ID. Then we are going to drag the category here. Okay. So it will detect the common field name category ID. Yeah. If I drag this a little bit to here, yeah, then what happen is, for example, category, yeah, like this. Yeah. So I will create the wrong relationship because they cannot find the common field between this. Yeah. So we move to the correct place. Then the customer. Okay, so our relationship is created already here. Then ready to continue. Okay. Yep. So yep, this is wrong. I move back this. Okay, all good. Yeah. So we are ready to create the first report. But before that, let me check the time. The time is 9:38. So maybe I will just wait until this close. Then continue at the 10 o'clock later. So everyone, I give you time to import the data and then create the data model like this. Chan and Steven, how is your progress? Done, yeah, okay, good. Steven, okay, good. That's very good. Abi, how about you, Abi? Done, yeah, okay, good. Okay, then I will close now. We continue at the 10 o'clock. Okay.